presentation topic actually consumers' preference for safe and organic food during and post COVID-19. So I am working in the Asian Productivity Organization. This is actually a regional intergovernmental organization which was established in 1961 as a non-political, non-profit, and non-discriminatory organization. There are 20 countries from Asia and Pacific. They are the member of APO, and we are mostly working on the productivity improvement in different area for service, agriculture, public sector productivity. So in all the aspect of area, we actually try to improve the productivity. In addition of my regular job, actually I have a couple of involvement. And just for your information, I am the ambassador of the International Federation of Organic Agriculture Movements, IFOM Organic International. I am also ambassador of the Asian Local Governments for Organic Agriculture and the honorary ambassador for Asia Access Agriculture. So last 2 decades, I am actively involved in the organic, safe and sustainable agriculture, innovations, research and development activities. So if we look at our my today's topic on the consumer's preference for safe and organic food during and post COVID-19, if you look, everybody knows that this current new strain of the coronavirus, SARS coronavirus 2, the official name is COVID-19, is a pandemic started from the Wuhan, China, the end of December last year. And already actually 10 million people already confirmed and affected by this virus, and 0.5 million deaths already we observed in different parts of the world. The most important thing is the normal life of the people actually disrupted in many ways, and the businesses in the all over the world is somehow stopped. But unfortunately, that so far there is no effective vaccines against SARS-CoV-2 or antiviral drug for treating the patients has been identified. And even we don't know how long it will take time to get any vaccine or antiviral drug. So in this situation, what are the options actually we have remained to cope with this situation? And as our previous speaker said, that we need to change the lifestyle. And the healthier lifestyle is one of the actually important issue during this COVID situation. The World Health Organization, as you know, that they already mentioned many times in many their press release and many findings that supporting an immune system by a healthy diet is already proven. And it is critical for preventing, fighting, and recovering from any infections. So for any infections, actually healthy diet is very much important. And regardless, it is a simple somebody mild or moderate symptom, whatever the case or severe, that depends on how much immune your body and how much your body can protect from the virus or the infections. That is very much important. And for that purpose, actually, the 2 things is very important. One is the safe food, and another is the control of stress condition. So if we can get the safe food and we can make us free from the stress condition for our better lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, at least at this adverse situation, even in absence of antivirus or anti-drug come up, we can at least protect and we can fight at some extent. So in case of consumer at any level, regardless of the COVID or non-COVID situation, the consumer preference actually depends on they prefer cost. They like to check the cost of the product, availability of the product. It's not means that sometimes the product is available, sometimes it is out of market. They want to stay with the available products, and the right information, which is very important for the consumers, that where the products coming, what ingredients in that product, whether the product is safe or not. So this information is the very important for the consumers. And the media's role is very much vital in this issue, because the media can disseminate the information of the product. And of course, the policymakers who are the take care the safe foods and the related matters. So whenever we say that the product, the right product or the good product, it is not a matter of only the producers. It is also a matter of the consumers. It is a matter of the media. It's a matter of the policymakers. So it is a combined and the holistic approach, and all the stakeholders is somehow actually responsible to fulfill the consumer's preference. Because we must have to understand that consumers actually the king. Because when the producer can understand what the consumer is required, what the consumer is demand, then the actually producer can meet that demand. For example, if you have very good production, very good quality production, but if the consumer doesn't like it, then it no means. So it means that you have to read the consumer's demand and the consumer's need. So in this COVID situation, when all the issues are coming, then we observe that the consumers are becoming more interested on safe and organic food for boosting the immunity. The people who ever previously not much cared about the safe or food, organic food, they are also even nowadays very much cautious about the safe food. There is a different survey, different market analysis already we analyzed, and we found that, for example, one survey it shown that 69% of Americans, they are now more concerned on the food safety than they are before. Even another report from the World Trade Association from US, they shown that the 6.3%, it is almost 2.5 billion actually increased over 2018, the same time of the organic product selling. And another report, it shows that organic produce sales jumped 22% in March. It is around 8% up in the first quarter of the year. So not only the US, even if you look at the Asia, for example, in case of Alibaba, is one of the big e-business enterprise, that they said that in China retail market, actually they are expecting a boost of healthy foods market due to this COVID-19. And another report says that the health crisis have a long-term impact on the consumer demand. If we, as I said before, that the many business has already disrupted due to this COVID. Many shops, many outlets are already stopped, and the business is stopped in many many countries. But very interestingly, if you look that the current situation, even the natural products retailers, as many places, they open the new stores. So it means that natural, organic, or safe products, they are getting the more interest to the consumers, and even they are opening new stores, even in this very bad situation. So it is overall the market trend that people actually want the safe and organic food across the region or the global situation. And it is very important that this pandemic actually had very positive impact on the number of consumers and the policymakers to make their more nutritious, safe food from farm to fork, means a producer to consumers table dining. And even in our study, we observed that even the consumers, they like to spend more money for the safe food of their particular budget, monthly budget, for the safe food purpose. Obviously, it's very important that their incomes, job security, or likelihood of a long-term recession is very much important. Of course, if he has less income or no job, definitely they can able to spend more money for the safe food. But at least the survey says that consumers, they are more aware than before, and they like to spend more money for selling organic food, purchasing the organic food purpose and the safe food purpose. But there is one issue which I really like to address from our experience before, that many countries actually they are facing problem to get the good product. And that is particularly the developing or the resource constrained economies, that is the big challenge. Because the consumers, they often face problem to get the right and actual and the good products. And the trust and transparency is one of the biggest issue in the those countries. For example, in case of the consumer, for the traditional food, it is very simple. You know, they can just sell in the market and there is no verification required. But in case of organic or the safe products, the consumers mostly, they are very much, it's a sort of niche market and it's a very much limited market. So the urban affluent consumers, the consumers who are the access of smartphones and internet, and they actually want some trust on that product. They like to know from where this product is coming. It is really safe or not. What is the traceability? They want to see that, they want to check that from where the product is coming. And in this situation, sometimes very fake or the wrong organic growers, they are coming in the market. They're trying to sell the products in the name of organic or safe food. And many ways, the consumers actually, they just have to buy the fake organic products or the safe products, which is actually giving them some disheartened or the disappointment about these good products. So these sort of fake growers, they are actually destroying the whole market and the people's feelings that took account that whether the product is right or wrong. So in that case, I like to share with you some of the example that how the in the very easy way we can ensure the product trustworthiness and the traceability system. Probably you know that traceability with the QR code, it is nowadays, it is very much getting interest or the improving in the many countries. And consumers actually, by tracking their mobile QR code, they can track that from where this product is coming, who grows this product, how they grown this product, what is the supply chain, who are the people in the main actors in the supply chain, whether how they maintain the quality of these products. So this type of traceability is giving some encouragement to the consumers that the product quality. There are another very good model that I like to share with you, that is the consumer-producer interaction model, which in Japan it called it Teikei system, Japan Organic Agriculture Association. They actually use this model. The model is the producer and consumer, they have a direct connection. The consumer ordered the product to the producer before, for example, before the season. The advantage is the producer can understand that from where he will sell this product, how much he need to grow. He has some confidence and sometimes he get the price before even the grow the products. Sometimes the producer go to the consumer go to the producer's land and join in the production system and see how he produce the product. So that actually gives some confidence to the consumer that yes, the product which I am taking, it is very much safe. And another, but of course, you know, the product like organic product, if you export, you need some certification. But in domestic, actually, certification is not necessarily important. But what I said, that for consumer perspective, they like to get to see some sort of certificate whether this product is really organic or not. And in that case, uh, actually, participatory guarantee systems, PGS, it is a very easy, very low cost community approach that can certify the products. So the reason actually I'm explaining this model, that it is not only the issue that consumers only want better food or the safe food. The community, the market itself need to be ready to supply the right and safe food, organic food to the consumers. Then this product can be, this system can be maintained, and the consumers can be happy to get the right product. So what I actually like to give in my short presentation here, that immunity, actually, it is a very much vital, and it can contain to spread and control the severity of any infection, including the COVID-19. And the practicing food safety hygiene is more important than ever, especially in the relation of host immunity. For example, as I said before, that regardless the any anti viral drug coming or the vaccine is coming, the food safety hygiene and the food safe food will be still remain important to the consumers in the year after year, because people now understand that host immunity is the most vital to protect from any infectious disease. And the exploration of the safe food and the organic food in building host immunity. And that is also consumers feeling that it will give them some strength and some immunity. So it would help to fight other emerging novel pathogens in the future. It is not that COVID-19 is the last coronavirus strain. Maybe again future new novel virus pathogens can come. So we need to be prepared. And it could be a very much potential value-adding enterprise, agribusiness enterprise, we must say. And as I said before, that new business opportunities will come in many ways. Many business business will be down, but safe food and organic food market will be more get attention and more get priority in the coming years and future. So this all about my simple presentation, and I would like to ask the audience if you have any questions.